Guys, my name is Brittany and welcome back to yet another video on my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Revlon hairdryer brush, and this thing has swept the internet by storm. I first saw it about a year ago when one of my hairdresser friends recommended it to all of her clients, and I knew that I wanted to get my hands on it. So that's what I have for you today. This retails for around $60. I did get it for about $42 from Walmart.com as long as you do a pickup. That deal should be going on if you are in my area. If not, then definitely wait until it goes on sale. They do sell these at Ulta as well, so you can get your Ulta points. If you like beauty, hair tutorials, and fashion, be sure to click that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell. That way you can see my videos every single Friday. And if you want to see what this thing can do, then stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, so we are going to go ahead and get started. But this is how big it is. This thing is freaking humongous. It goes from like basically my chest to the top of my head. I did not expect it to be this big, but it did say that we are supposed to get salon quality blowouts with this and that it's going to change our life. So I'm actually in a hurry today, so I'm going to go ahead and start the video and hopefully it will end up looking really good. I'm going to put my hair half up because it did say to section your hair. Right now my hair is just pretty damp. I just went in and squirted it. I had let it air dry last night and I forgot to keep it up. Normally I would probably wash my hair and then the next morning do it, so that way it's a little bit more dry. It's basically like the same thing as being towel dried. Okay, so I just went ahead and did a quick half bun, and I'm so sorry that my dryer is running, but I have laundry. I'm like super busy today. On the back of this, there is settings on how you want it on. So it says cool, off, cool, low, and high. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on high, and then I will show you how loud it is because it's very loud. So if you're somewhere where you don't like a lot of noise or like your kids are sleeping, that is probably gonna be a problem for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and then I'll show you how loud it is, and then I'll probably just put music over this so that way you can see the motions that I'm doing, but also you don't have to hear this annoying sound the entire time. I forgot to say, I'm just going to be using the big brush to roll it under like this so that way I can get more volume. It did say if you wanted bigger volume to roll it under and then like this, and if you want just like your hair straight, you can just pull it down. It does kind of smell like plastic burning, which is a little bit concerning, but it's definitely working. Like my hair feels very soft. I also wanted to say I do recommend that you go ahead and put some type of product in your hair. I just use like a L'Oreal frizz serum stuff to keep my hair from being too frizzy, and I would not recommend using this product if your hair is soaking wet, but that's completely up to you. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to the video. On high. I had it on low. So that's what it sounds like. It's very loud. this is actually pretty cool as far as if you touch right here. Now, if you grab the whole thing, obviously it is going to be hot. Like if you put your fingers inside the bristles. I did not realize that I was blow drying it on low before, but I will say that this is going pretty fast. It does say in the instructions that if you're going to use it on the lower temperature, that you should have fine or thin hair, and I have pretty thick hair. I don't necessarily have thick strands. It's just I have a lot of hair. So I probably should have took it into a smaller section, but we are just gonna go pumping through. And I'm not someone that can easily just take like a round brush and then blow dry my hair. I find that it gets tangled or stuck in my hair, so I normally just take a blow dry and run it over the top. But this is so easy, and as you can see, I really tried to like pull it and see if it would get stuck, and nothing's happening. So I'm already loving this, but we'll see how it looks at the end. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the final product of what we did, and I am absolutely loving this volume on top, especially for this, like me being in a hurry and this being my first time using this. This is absolutely amazing. I would recommend this to anyone, to beginners, to people who have been blow drying their hair with round brushes for a long time, to anyone who wants that salon quality blowout. I mean, my hair is so long now, like it's down to here, and I don't normally get this much volume if my hair is straight. The other cool thing about it is you can just straight up like brush and it will blow dry it for you. As you've seen, I did several different types of moves. Each one of them seemed to work out. I feel like I have a lot of volume, especially if you've seen my video where I curled my hair on camera for you. I straightened it first and I had none. So if you want to check that video out of how I get my everyday curls, be sure to just click up here and I'll link that up here for you. But other than that, this is going to be it. I definitely highly recommend that you go out and grab one of these today. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you do like hair tutorials, because I love doing them and I don't just want this to be a makeup channel.